Each pane has its own toolbar with a search feature, the ability to quickly open the title or category you're in, an active tab for each pane, and an options tab for the reference work that you're in. If you right-click over the text, you will have a series of additional tabs that come up. Add note, bookmark, explain, word, share, copy, highlight, and select a highlight set. Add note, bookmark, highlight, and highlight sets will all be covered in the Home tab video. Explain opens up the default commentary, and this will generally appear in the pane that you are not in. Word opens the Explore Word feature. For more information on how to use that, go to the Study Icons video. Share allows you to post anything to Facebook and Twitter. You will need to be logged in, so if you're not already, then the login screen for these social sites will appear first. If Facebook isn't set up to allow the Biblesoft app to gain access to your account, then you will need to follow the on-screen steps to continue. You can also copy the highlighted selection of text, so you can paste it whether into the app or into a different set of notes that you may be taking. Link panes will allow for both panels to sync together, whether that's a translation, a commentary, or even maps. Let's say you're in Acts and you're following Paul in his journey. You can open up, let's say, Acts 16, open up a map, and you'll see the different places that the chapter references. If you click on the Link Panes icon, then when you go forward a chapter to Acts 17, you'll see that the map changes. Full screen is what the app is in right now, and search is enabled in each pane provided that the magnifying glass appears. If you click on the magnifying glass at the top of the app, then you can search for a word in the default Bible translation you have set.